The special advisor to the president on information and strategy, Bayo Ononuga, has on Wednesday announced with deep regret the passing of the Lieutenant General Taoreed Lagbaja, the chief of army staff, who died on Tuesday night in Lagos at the age of 56 after an illness. In a press statement released by the special advisor, Tinubu expressed gratitude for Lieutenant General Lagbaja's enduring contributions to Nigeria, honoring his memory and dedication. "We have lost an exceptional leader, and Nigeria mourns with his family and the armed forces. May he rest in eternal peace," the president said. Lieutenant General Lagbaja, born on February 28, 1968, was appointed as Chief of Army Staff on June 19, 2023 by President Tinubu. His tenure marked decades of dedicated service to Nigeria, defined by exemplary leadership and resilience. Lieutenant General Lagbaja is survived by his wife, Maria, and their 2 children. President Tinubu noted the immense void his passing leaves in the nation's military leadership. The nation joins the family and the Nigerian military in honoring Lieutenant General Lagbaja's legacy, a legacy of service, courage, and profound commitment to the security of Nigeria. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.